Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an approval letter for internships by company. What is an approval letter for internships? An approval letter for internships means a written notice confirming the firm or individual applicant's licensure or accreditation by the board about joining to be internees in a company. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an approval letter for internships by company step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your contact information. You or as a company wants to send an approval letter. So, you have to write your full name. Under it, write your title or occupation in the company. In this example is HR manager. After that, write the name of the company. And write the city of the office, or you can also write the address if the company is not too famous. Once you are done with your contact information, you can write the date of the letter. In this example is August 22, 2023. And then, you can continue to write contact information about the recipient. Here, write the full name. Under it, write the title or occupation in the school or university or college or organization. And write the university or college or school or organization name. Write also the address. Now, you can open the approval letter by writing Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs. followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, you can write that this letter is a response to the recipient's letter. Don't forget to mention the date of the letter sent by the recipient. In the second sentence, write that you approve the request. Since it is about internship, you have to mention it here. Write that your company approved the students to be internees. After that, write how many students that your company approve. Mention the number, for example is 15 students. And write that the internees will work on different ongoing projects. Of course, you have to mention the period of internship training program. You have to mention when it is started and when it is ended. Write in the format of month, date, and year for both starting and ending dates. You need to state it clearly that during the period of time mentioned before, the students will be designated as internees in your company. In the second paragraph, explain in advance that the details about internship program will be shared on the very first day. But, if you want to give details about the projects and duties now, you can attach it along with this approval letter. If it is so, you have to mention it here. There must be some regulations about how the internship works. In this approval letter, write big picture of it. For example, the internees will have to successfully completed 3 months of internship training. And write also other requirements like internees have to make a detailed project report with details of the projects and roles. Mention all the points that need to be fulfilled by the internees in order to get the internship certificate from your company. Yes, it is a must to mention it all here. In the third paragraph, write brief about the contract and agreement. Here, you have to mention that the students will receive secret and sensitive information and important details about the company. Therefore, tell the recipient that the students will have to sign the agreements that they have to keep the information secret. And mention when the agreement needs to be signed. For example, as on the first day of the training. Finally, close the letter with sincerely or best regards. Put your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an approval letter for internships by company. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.